If you want to see this disaster decluttered and color-coded, then just keep on watching. Hey you, and welcome to this video. If you are new here, my name is Brittany. I'm a homebody and a mother of a 2-year-old boy, and this channel is all about homemaking, motherhood, and lifestyle for single working moms like me. So if you are interested in helpful, useful homemaking tips, then hit the subscribe button below and let's get into this video. Welcome to my closet, and while it's not a beauty, it serves its purpose, but it hasn't been functional for me. So that's what I'm going to tackle today in decluttering. And while I hope to be able to completely gut this closet one day and do the beautiful built-ins, right now I've got to work with what I've got. So let's get started. So first I'm starting with taking everything out of the closet, and that way I can have a clean slate, and while I'm doing that I can categorize things and I can declutter at the same time. And this is a tip in order to stay efficient if you are going to do this. It really helps me. The entire process took me a little over 3 hours, and that's really just because I have a lot of clothes I seriously needed to declutter. I mean, some of these clothes I've had for years, so that's why it took me so long. It was a daunting task going into it, but honestly it took me less time than I thought it would take. So if this is something you're thinking about doing, go ahead and do it. The season has changed and now is the perfect time. But you put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 put your love on me. Your love, 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 put your love on me. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. As you can see, I'm trying on clothes that I'm not absolutely sure if they will fit or not, and I'm throwing the ones that do not fit into a pile, and every other one that I am going to keep, I am categorizing in a different pile within the room. Your love, your love, your love, your love, put your love on me. Your love, your love, your love, your love. So a little progress, I've emptied out this shelf, and this shelf right here I have my graduation gown that's just gonna stay there, and then back here my wedding dress, need to figure out what to do with that, and then like just some covers that I might use, and this one is a petticoat that I could use for other skirts that I have. So now I just have to clean out this side. Got a baby gate up so that he doesn't ruin all my piles. Too long. I can't breathe, I can't take it slow. Something else I am looking forward to doing before I consider completely gutting the closet and redoing it with a different design and built-ins is replacing all of my hangers to this felt rose gold tip hangers that I have. I do not have enough of them, but I do want to replace all of the plastic ones that I have with these hangers. It does have like a no slip texture, which is perfect. You don't necessarily need them for all your clothes, but it is great when it can have a uniform look. So I'm really looking forward to doing that soon, and that is something that I am pursuing.
Let me know, nah, nah, nah. Give me a sign. Let me know, nah, nah, nah. Let me know, nah. Let me know, nah, nah, nah. Give me a sign.
Disaster. So I'm just going to try to point out to you what I did and the plan. So this huge pile right here, all giveaway clothes I cannot fit, will not wear, and trust me, if I could fit them, I would try to keep them, but I cannot, and I won't allow myself to do it anymore. And then just like other outdated, tacky things I know I'll never wear again. This is a trash pile. This right here is like summery blouses, things like that. This right here is like little tanks and stuff, pants or pant sets, jeans that I'm going to keep, short sets that I'm going to keep, fall clothes that I'm going to keep, blouses, polos that I'm going to keep, dresses that I'm going to keep. And this stack is still huge, and I got rid of so many, guys. There's only like 3 or 4 in this pile, but these are ones that I am going to get fixed, like either a strap broke off or a zipper broke or something like that. So there's 4 that I need to take to the tailor. Then here I have a stack of t-shirts, and there are like skirts, like fall type skirts. There were only like 3 skirts that I kept. I threw away probably almost 10 skirts. And then over here, I'm starting a pile of workout clothes that I am going to keep. A couple blazers that I want to keep. And one of a kind clothes that I had actually made for me that I can't fit anymore. But some of these clothes honestly have sentimental value, or I know I'll never be able to get it again. And if I do lose weight and get back down to those sizes, I will wear. And here is the closet all cleared out. No clothes right there. No clothes on this one. No clothes here, all hangers, and no clothes there. Still have t-shirts here, still have some blouses there, and I still have this hamper of clean clothes that I need to put away. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start putting back in the closet in category, color coding as I go. That way I can get the bed cleared off so I can have somewhere to sleep tonight. And then everything that is not on a hanger, like the clothes in the hamper, the t-shirts, and the blouses that are still in the closet rolled up, I will get those on a hanger in a spot in the closet so that all my clothes are hanging. I can see everything that I have. So I'm going to go ahead and get started putting everything back.
Let me know, nah, nah, nah. I never needed love.
So as I was beginning to hang things back into the closet, I figured now would be a good time for me to get rid of any shoes that I know I'm not going to wear anymore, because I have shoes lined up against the wall everywhere. So I want to get this all off the floor and into bags. I'll put those out in the hallway so I'll know that I need to drop them off to Goodwill. That way I can clean it up a bit better and it'll feel less cluttered in here.
Until I saw and I met your eyes. That's why I'm moving close, to be here and to get you under my skin and right back to where we've been. Give me a sign and tell me when to begin.
Something I started to do in the process, because it was just bothering me so much, was separating the colors of hangers. So I put all of the white ones on one rack, and then I put all of the black ones together, and then I put all of the colored ones at like the back of one rack, and then I took all of the like clear plastic ones that where the hanger kind of turns, I put those up top for my blouses. And I also took all of the pants hangers and put those on the pant shelf. I noticed that the pants hangers, even though they're wire hangers, because they have the cardboard protector on them, they seem to be a lot more sturdier than plastic hangers are for jeans and heavy jeans and things like that. And then I also threw away any wire hangers or flimsy plastic hangers that I did not want.
To be here and to get you under my skin and right back to where we've been. Give me a sign and tell me when to begin. Oh yeah, let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. All that I do is wait for you. I'm standing and I'm not breathing. Why can't you forget the reason you left? You tend to hide your feelings. Yeah, you keep thinking it's right to keep a distance. It's like nothing I do is enough. I've been holding my breath, but it's hard when I am running back to. I'm falling behind you now, I'm losing my mind. I'm blending into the moon crowd.
Okay guys, so I'm getting there. I've got all of my shirts in. I've got some blouses in. Pants and shorts are in. I've got all of the trash off the floors and into bags. Stuff that I'm giving away into bags. What I have left now is to hang up these skirts. Those pieces I'm going to take to the tailor, so I'm going to put those in my car actually. I'm going to get ready to hang these up, and also my summer pieces. Pieces that I'm not wearing that are out of season, I'm going to put on this side, along with like dresses, long skirts, occasional pieces I'm going to put over here. And then over here, long pieces that I'm wearing now. Normally I would hang all my long pieces over here, but if it's in season, fall wear, but it's long, I'm hanging it right here. This will be the last thing that I do. I'm going to get all of this put away.
It's like I'm lost in the night, trying to keep up with the time. Why don't you slow it down? I'm not gonna find you. Yeah, you keep thinking it's right to keep a distance. It's like nothing I do is enough. I've been holding my breath, but it's hard when I am running back to. I'm falling behind you now, I'm losing my mind. I'm blending into the moon crowd.
So I hope you guys are enjoying this video and finding it motivational. If so, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And also, if you are new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below for more content like this.
But it's hard when I am running back to. Goes by and yet I wonder, are you and me still the same? Are you still loving the game? I know I don't. You cast your spell and I went under. I know the laughter and the pain. Will I ever love again? I don't know if I can take it anymore. So I stay here and hold my heart when you walk out the door.
I finally finished, guys. And the way that I did it is I have like lingerie pieces over here, out of season, summer pieces, spring pieces, long dresses, things like that. Then I have work shirts into tanks and tops. And then I have like workout shirts, t-shirts, and then more fall pieces right here, more long fall pieces, dresses, onesies, things like that. Up here I have all of my sweaters and blouses, and down here I have all of my shorts, pants, and skirts. So everything is decluttered, color coded to my best ability, and I know everything that I have, where everything is, and I am so happy with it. So happy with it.
So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also hit the red subscribe button below for more encouragement, motivation, and inspirational videos. I'm going to leave some videos here on the screen for you to tune into if you enjoyed this type of content, and I hope to see you in the next video. But until then, be your own kind of beautiful.